Hello. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate for you the new public session tool that we have activated for Google Chromebooks. This tool is designed to help our students quickly access the internet using a Chromebook. I'm going to walk through some features that this provides and some ways to go about logging in. We now have options to make it easier, to make it faster, especially for our younger students. So when I open up a Chromebook, sometimes I will see my profile picture and I can just start typing that in. Well, now what's happened is we've activated this feature, and so you may not see your picture anymore, your profile picture. What you will see is this standard logo for Arlington ISD. And the idea here is that the student could quickly just click on this logo and it would ask you, are you ready to go into the public session? And you could just, all you need to do is click enter here and the session would start. Now what a public session is, it's really it's kind of like a guest account. It's a very limited in functionality way to get into a Chromebook, to get into a browser. But it does make for quick, easy access. I mean, here we are. I did not have to log in, but here I am. I'm at a browser, so I can now start to browse the web just like I would if I was logged in. I've also got some bookmarks over here on the left-hand side. It says Managed Bookmarks folder. As a district, we can populate bookmarks. Here are some that's just examples that are in here right now, but these could certainly change over time. So popular destinations like Destiny for the library login might be in here. Others might be in here, and those will just populate over time. So that is how to log in to a public session. And then a student can actually very quickly end the session by down here in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a red button that says Exit Session. So if I were to click on Exit Session, it would ask me to, are you sure, basically, and I'll say yes, I want to sign out. Once I've exited the session, I'm right back at that opening screen and I'm ready to hop on again if needed. Another thing that you can do in this new tool is basically in the bottom left-hand corner, I don't even have to go into this logo area. In the bottom left-hand corner, there's a button that says Apps. And if I click on Apps, right here from the login screen, I can actually jump into iStation or VMware if I wanted to go into the VDI platform. Or there may be others that populate over time as we find them that are worthy of adding here to this shortcut area. But let's just say iStation, for example. I click on that and it starts to immediately take me into iStation. It takes a little bit to load.
Welcome to iStation.
And then once it loads, it's ready for the configuration piece. This may or may not need, this piece right here may or may not need to be done. If it needs to be done, your CTM might be able to assist you with this if you're not sure what to enter here. But eventually,
please enter your username and password.
You will get to this page here. Notice that you are able to do this without actually logging in to the Chromebook. You were able to do it right from the login screen. So I'm going to go ahead and exit this app because I want to show you one more feature. So here we are at the login screen. So basically I've shown you how to log into the public session. I showed you how to jump straight into an app without even having to log in. And then the last thing I want to show you is, what if you're a student and you do want to log into your Google account? You want to go ahead and do that. Well, then you can always click this Add Person right here, and it takes you to the sign-in sheet. Now notice here that the back half of the student's account is already entered, so all I'd really need to enter is the first half. This will cut down on your login time. So there we are. When I am done with this piece now, I can just, like I've always done, I can always just click Sign Out. And I've got my three options now: the login, the public session login. I can jump straight into one of the apps that have already been pushed to the Chromebook, or I can log in as a person. By the way, if you are an AISD staff member and you don't want to have this stuff in the back half, The second that you type the @ symbol, that goes away. So I can just move right through that. It's not like you have to be a student in order to use this, and it wouldn't take a staff member. You can still just type in your account. Okay, if you have any questions about this tool or any others, please feel free to contact your campus technology manager, your campus technology liaison, or the instructional technology department. If it's a hardware or software related issue, then your best bet is to either call the help desk or submit a help ticket. Thank you so much. Good luck.